Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn how to use the Brandwatch for social media management. Okay, so first thing that you do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Brandwatch. So you have this first website, so you just have to tap on this one and you will be directed to their website. Okay, so first is you have to check their plans first. So let's go to the plan section. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So here we have consumer intelligence, the social media management, and the influencer marketing. So if you're managing, social media, then all-in-one social media management platform, perfect for teams collaborating on social media. So for social media management and content marketers looking to manage all your social media channels in one place, collaborate on content creation with one social calendar, including both organic and paid posts, engage with your community in one centralized social CRM, monitor your brand with the world's leading social listening tool, and benchmark and build dashboards to understand your performance against your competitors. So here, tap on the see it in action. Now, in order for us to, actually use the demo, we have to schedule a demo. So that's just, very simple. All you have to do is to type it right here, our email. Okay, so let me just type out my email at gmail.com. After that, tap on the get a free demo. Okay, and then you just have to proceed to the step 3, step 2, step 3, and step 4. But since we cannot really request for a demo right now, what we are going to do is to discuss this tool. Okay, so we are still going to discuss the Brandwatch. Okay, so right here, as you can see, it is a complementary suite of specialized best in class tools. Okay, so this is how it looks like inside the tool. So it conduct deep search, so it can bring structure and meaning to billions of voices with game-changing AI solutions. For example, you're going to search for plastics. So your keyword is plastic. So you'd be able to see here all of the info about the plastic. So plastic materials, a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic solids. We also have the plastic surgery medical specialty. Okay, next one is monitor your brand. Okay, so survive and thrive in a fast moving digital landscape by keeping your finger on the pulse of consumer opinion. So this is how it looks like for here. So you have this, graph, so you would be able to see the volume and of course the repost number, the mentions. So you have everything right here. Next one is to create winning content. So you can grow your brand with a data-driven content strategy, all managed in one collaborative social content calendar. Okay, next one is engage with consumer. So here, you can deliver exceptional customer experience by engaging with the right people in the right place at a right time. Okay, so you have this kind of setup. Okay, so yeah, you can track your brand mentions across the internet, analyze the customer sentiment, monitor competitors, and discover trends in real time. So basically, it listens to millions of online conversations so you can make smarter marketing decisions. Okay, so this is their suite. So let's go to the social media management. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so your workspaces are where you organize and analyze your data. So if you are inside a tool, so you can create separate workspaces for brand monitoring, competitor analysis, and campaign tracking. Okay, so here, this one is best in class collaboration. So you can work with their integrated content calendar and approval flows to ensure quality and on brand content across campaigns and teams. So they have one calendar, user tools, content pool, and intuitive UX. Okay, So here, you can manage your community in one easy to use and customizable inbox. So boost your customer loyalty while empowering team collaboration. So cross-channel inbox, we have Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and YouTube are all covered. So customizable, you can arrange your feeds and how you like them best, or how you think your feed is effective and easy to understand for you. And for automation, you can use automated rules to save you time. Next one is the audience profile cards to understand who you are speaking with and their historical interactions with you. And of course, we have the actionable social insight. So listen to consumers and benchmark against your competitors. So here, social listening, so you can monitor your brand across 100 million plus sources. Historical data, so 12 months of consumer data and 7 years of competitive channel analysis. And for the benchmark, compare yourself against competitors, find trending content, and understand your share of voice. And for the analytics, you can the customizable dashboards to measure the performance. And as you can see, for the official partners with years of experience in social, this tool built up trusted partnerships with all of the major networks and providers. So again, for social networks, we have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, and the list goes on. And it has an unlimited channel. So, as a suite customer, monitor and manage all the channels you need. And from employee advocacy to UGC access, all you need to succeed on social media. Okay, so here you would be able to see the products as well. Okay, so again, you can the Brandwatch will scan the internet 24/7 for mentions, so you can use and or not to refine the result, and you can also avoid too broad keywords so that you will get messy data. So inside the tool you can explore the listen feature, so this is where the magic happens. This one is inside the tool, so I cannot really show you that. But yeah, the listen tool lets you track conversations across platforms, detect trends, and identify potential crisis. So you will see volume of mentions, where people are talking, and what they're saying. So this helps you understand your audience better and react fast. Okay, so if you want more information about this website and then you would like to request for a demo, then you just have to visit the Brandwatch website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.